Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a review on this product. So if you guys want to know what it is and what my thoughts about it is, just keep on watching. So as you saw in the title and also on my thumbnail, you guys know what it is. So yeah, it is this DipWell Easy Acrylic Dip System. So this is how the box looks like. The first time I heard about SNS or dip powder acrylics is here on YouTube. The first time I heard it was by Nicole Guerrero. If you guys know, she was allergic to acrylic for some time, and then she started getting SNS, and then she went back to acrylics. But also the first video I ever saw of how to do it and all was here on YouTube as well. I don't remember the girl's name, but I'll leave the video here for you guys, and also I'll link it for you down below. So yes, this is a product that she used on her video. So if you guys want to know or see how she did it, just go to that video. Or if you guys want me to do a video of how I do my nails as well, just let me know, because these are actually the ones I did. And as you guys could hear, it's actually it sounds like I'm wearing acrylics. I'm not wearing any polish on them, so yeah, I need to paint them already. My thoughts about this is a really easy alternative other than acrylic. I got these done I'll say probably 20 minutes or less, and acrylic, it takes almost an hour or a little bit more, especially you guys know how long it takes if you guys gotten your nails done with acrylic. So yeah, so let me show you the products. So this is the box. As you could tell, I already opened it. It says nice nails start here. Let me open it for you guys, and this is how it looks, and it says dip it real good. So as you could tell, I mean not tell, but as you could hear, like I said, it sounds like I'm wearing acrylics, which in a way it is, but it's without a monomer. I think that's how you say it. So yeah, it comes with a little flyer, and it comes with 4 steps and your powders right here. So it has step 1, which is the bond, step 2, which is base, step 3, activator, and that's what makes your nails hard. Step 4 is the sealer, which is pretty much a over top, a top coat. And this last one is brush softener, which is just softening the brush. And then the powders, you get a base and finish, which is just a clear powder. You get a sheer pink, and then you get a French white powder as well for French tips. And the flyer, it says, do you DipWell? And right here it just tells you some facts. It says powders may be used up to 30 sets. DipWell nails last 3 to 6 weeks, which regular acrylics, they last, well, for me personally, they last up to 2 weeks, and then if I take good care of them, they could last up to 4 weeks, real good. And without shipping, it says, so we'll see. And easy soak off removal is in just 15 minutes. So it's a normal removal for acrylic and gel polish with 100% acetone, I think it's called. Adds length and protects and shine. No UV or LED lamp required. Which is true. It's true, and you could use these on your natural nail, just put it over on your natural nails, or if you want some length, some tips, you could use some nail tips, which is what I have because I like having long nails. If you guys seen my previous videos, you guys know that I got pretty long nails. These are pretty much short for me. The tips I use are these. These are from Amazon as well. And they're just regular like nail tips, but these are what's it called? The stiletto shape, which I cut them. That's why my nails look square, and also I shape my nails. So these are my nails right now. Let's see if I could focus. It won't focus. Let's see. It won't really focus, but you get the idea. What happened with me is on this hand I did first. That's why these nails kind of look more thicker than these ones, as you can see. So especially this pinky, like look how ugly that pinky is compared to this one. You could dip your nail in it like as many times as you want. It depends how thick you want the your nails. And I don't like my nails really thick. That's why like I needed to buff them down a lot, especially this hand, especially this pinky. But other than that, I do really like this system, this dip powder alternative other than doing acrylic. I have done acrylic on myself once or twice, I believe, but the thing about acrylic is like when you use the you guys know what I'm talking about. The liquid, it makes your room or wherever you're doing it like smell like really bad. Like some nail salons, like it does smell like really strong. Some don't. My room smells like a freaking nail salon when I did my nails with actual acrylic. But with this, it did not smell at all, which is what I like, and also how easy it is. Just put on the nail tip, put the first base, second base, dip. And you do have to be. So my overall thoughts about this product and would I recommend it is yes, especially if you don't have the money, because your girl's trying to save, and where I go to get my nails done is like $40. It could be more, but the lady, like she knows me, I know her, we cool, we tight, so she gives me a discount, which is only the $40. So I recommend. It's like, this is only like $45, which is pretty much what you're going to be paying when you go to the nail salon, and once you start doing them, it's like free. So you only be paying for like one set, pretty much. You know what I mean? Do you guys get me? I'm sure you get me. So would I recommend? Yes. So what I'm going to do for you guys is I'll link this product down below, and also I'll link the nails as well for you guys down below. And if you guys want me to do them for you guys or update you guys on this one, especially because I am planning on doing that, I'm going to update you guys on how long they lasted. I've only had them on so far for 2-3 days already. I got it on Tuesday, so yeah, 3 days already. So yeah, new hobby. Hey. So I'll update you guys how long they lasted, and if I still recommend by then. But so far right now, I do recommend it. And like I said, I'll link it down below for you guys. And if you guys do want me to do them next time, like make a video about it when I do them and show you guys how I do them, just let me know in the comments for this video. So yeah, and do you guys like my new sweater or top? I don't know how to describe it. It's a sweater or top. It says Queen Bay, and it's like the Gucci inspired top. And I bought it at the swap meet for $12. I think it was $12, but I got it for 10. You guys always need to talk it down, the price, if you guys want something cheaper. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below if you want me to do a nail set for you guys on a video. So yeah, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I make videos every week, at least I'm trying to, or sometimes I throw a little extra video here and there if I feel excited to film like daily. So yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next one.